What's up, everybody? Hey, I'm back. Actually, let's see. We might need to clean this lens a little bit. Oh yeah. All right. So check this out. I've been thinking a little bit, and I've been thinking I want to expand this channel. So do me a favor. Hit the subscribe button. If you're watching this video, subscribe. It's free. And we all like free stuff, right? So, speaking of free, real quick, I know this video is going to be on the KLX, but I've ordered a rack for that TW. It's a Tusk rack, and that's the rack that we're going to be giving away to somebody who owns a TW200. Or, check this out, I think they might make one for the KLX. If you have a KLX and they make a Tusk rack for it, you can win one. You just have to buy a sticker. That's it, a sticker. But anyways, so today's video, check this out. I recently put an LED light bulb in here. Now, everything's fine, right? Like, it works, it runs, it's fine, blah, 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 blah. But one thing you might not know is how to adjust this headlight. Now maybe you get in a crash and something's off or something. Anyways, you take this front cover off. I've showed that in my other video. But anyways, this little contraption right here, this little screw, you just need a Phillips screwdriver. And basically this is gonna be your adjustment, obviously, left or right, left or right. You screw this in, it's gonna push this side of the light this way, which will bring your beam farther this way. Loosen it, it'll bring your beam this way. Now, you know what? I think some people might wonder what that says. Actually, this hand says scars heal, sorry. Ha! This sand says glory fades. I don't know if you're familiar with the song, but it's like, you know, scars heal, glory fades, all we're left with are the memories made. That's all we're left with are the memories made. So check this out. So that's gonna be your up and down as far as the headlight goes. So it's so simple, you guys. Like if you really need to adjust your headlight, play around with it. Adjust this left and right, adjust that up and down. Obviously you're probably gonna want to loosen that to raise your beam up, and you're gonna tighten it to drop it down. So if you're having problems, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now, one other thing. Let's push this bike here. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Ah, don't push it while it's leaning because your kickstands are gonna go whoop. Whoop. Yeah, so I got a problem though. Why I've got you here. I've got a problem with this little MXR 140. Now, I don't see, and I haven't seen any visible leaking. Actually, I take that back. Look at that. Looks like I got a little bit of leaking on the front tire. I'm having troubles with brakes lately, so my TW200 leaks. And look at this. Apparently, that leaks too. I have no front brakes on that. So, we're gonna make another video right now. Check it out later. Don't leave yet, but check it out. As a reminder, like I said, giveaway for that. All you gotta do is buy a sticker. Now, nobody's bought a sticker yet, so if you buy a sticker, you could literally be the only one who wins. But I'm giving it till March, because obviously I haven't sold any stickers. But the odds are really good, so get in, get your chance to win a Tusk rear rack. Anyways, that's it. That's all the video is today. Super easy, simple. Go subscribe, go have fun, and remember, smile. Smile every morning when you wake up.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for